do we have the sovereign right to speak and live as Chamorros except in the Marianas? So we have another responsibility. This is not just about making available languages. We're not talking about just any language. We're talking about our indigenous language. We're talking about the responsibility that we have to protect the sovereignty of our language and our culture. Nowhere else will anybody do this for us. This is our game. These are our decisions. And mamay go hit, Rosa, and mamay go hit, siyempre, mabaksalahit mo na sa titatungo mo na magagit, right? It's our responsibility to stand up, and that's why this kind of gathering is so important, because we need to make our voices heard. When the faculty senate of the university makes a decision, it's making a decision on the basis of data that they have about what is cost effective, how many students enrolled in language. Those are important issues that faculty members and faculty senates need to deal with. But we also, as people of the land, we also have a responsibility to protect the sovereignty of our language and our culture. And no one can do that but us. And that's why we have to stand and be heard. And the faculty senate will hear us. Because I don't think there's any deliberate effort to extinguish Chamorro language and culture. But sometimes we make decisions and we don't realize what impact that might have. When I heard about this recommendation, I thought, oh God, if there's no language requirement, all the language components of the university will begin to shut down because you don't have that kind of enrollment. So it's very important that we understand this, but more than anything else, we have to keep ever present in our minds and in our hearts and in all of our decisions. Nahita mantautotonohit. And tazat lingwahi, tazat tauto. And tazat tono, atanak togo, what's happening in Tini, and they're faced with the issue, do we give up our land or not? And if we give up our land, ko mantautotonohit. Sin tono, tazat tauto. Sin tauto, tazat tono. Atanak idaluta pago kalan basiyo itano. These are issues that we as Chamorros have to face. All of these issues, all of the ways that we think about these things are embedded in our language. Knowledge is embedded in our language. This is a place for knowledge. This is a place for languages. And this is a place where Chamorros, more than any other place on earth, this is the place that we have to make sure that our sovereignty of language and culture is preserved. It's in our hands. It's not someone else's hands to do this. It's in our hands. What are we going to do about it? I'd like to end, there's